Hello! How are you? Mag-o-open tayo ngayon ng mga gifts natin this Christmas. Mga gift na natanggap natin this Christmas. First, ito. Ito yung first natin na gift. May number siya. May number. Number 27. Open natin. Siyempre, surprise to. Bunot-bunot ito na gifts. Ito. Surprise. Ano kaya? Color blue. Ano kaya yan? This is from our church. From the church, ito na gift. This is Peerless. And this is tadan, Champion powder. This is 2 kilogram powder. Para kapanglaban na kita guys. 2 kilogram na powder. Nato na bunutan. Thank you, church. Thank you, Pastor Mike and Mom Blas. And next gift na ato ni go open. Kailangan dili ko ano lain niya. Next nga gift is from church again. From Pastor Mike and Mom Bless and family. This one. Uy, what's this? Wow! Wow, bag, yellow bag. Yellow bag, yellow. Yellow. Thank you so much. Pwede na isulod din ang sabon. Ayan. Next na gift is this is from Toy Toy. This is from Toy Toy. Ito Kuya Marky. Ito Kuya Marky. Ayan, guys. Thank you so much guys for the gifts to me. Hello God, ano daw ini? Oh, ano daw ini nga gift? May upod papaguran iya tag. Kailangan i-off doon ang tag. Oh. Okay, na-erase na. Wow, Uniqlo guys. It's erase na. Pero any worth dire nababasahan. Sorry guys, dire na nababasahan. It's worth 992 pesos. Thank you so much, brother. Akong brother nag-gift niya. May paparipan good ada ini niya. Sorry kay, wala ako pan-refund. Wow, yellow again. I love it. Yellow. 990 pesos. Hindi di. Pero 992 man. Why may to? 992. 990 la. Ano anto? Ay ni? Dos? Huh? Uniqlo? Baligyan niya ano. Okay, thank you so much. And may dakita didi usa nga kuan. From Ate Bless also and Pastor Ma. Ito mo nira gift ka ako. This is shorts. Shorts. From the family. Caleb, Charles, and Eli. Thank you so much. May rep ako didi. Oh, ne. Yun lang. Thank you so much. Thank you for the gifts. This that I received this past Christmas. Okay. Sana damo paan ako ma-receive na gift. Mga gusto mag-gift di dahatag na kamo kay i-video ko ito nahatag ako ning gift. Thank you so much, Balit. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye-bye.